Mom, help. Mom, help me! Something's in here! Joy! Keep talking!
Why are you reading that creepy book in here? I'm not scared. I'm just really sleepy.
Kids, finish up and come inside. It's getting late.
It's coming from inside the wall. Red eyes. A monster. Come out, monster. I have a light. This hole is too narrow. I need to find another, wider way through. It's so dark in there, but I have to find out what it is. Don't be scared, Joy. You're brave. Oh no. I can't turn around. I can't go back. I can only move forward.
Wow! Look at all those ants! You guys are tiny!
What was that?
That was way too fast. Breathe, Joy. You're brave. It's probably nothing.
Spider webs everywhere. Giant spider! Go away! Go away! Whew, it's gone. Stay back! Go away! Oh no. I need to get stuck! Somebody help me! Light. Mommy, where is Joy? He was right behind us.
Joy?
Joy! Where are you? Julie! I'm in here. Mom? Look! There's a hole in the wall.
Try crawling backward, honey. Come toward my voice.
I can't. It's too tight. And there's a monster in here. A monster?
I can't pull him out from here.
What happened?
Joy crawled inside the wall and got stuck.
The space gets narrower here. Pulling him backward could hurt him. I'll make another opening farther down. If Joy keeps crawling forward, I can get him out from there. Julie, stay here with Mom and keep talking to Joy. Make sure he knows we're coming.
Joy! I'm right here. Please don't eat me, monster. What? What is touching me? It's furry? A cat? You're not a monster. You're just a little kitty.
So those red eyes were yours.
Joy! Dad is making another hole.
Joy, can you see the light?
Yes, Dad. Go on, Kitty. Follow the light.
We're almost there.
Joy?
Dad, get my new friend first.
It's so cute!
All right, Joy. Your turn.
You're safe.
Never crawl into a small space like that again. You could have been badly hurt.
I'm sorry, Mom. I thought there was a monster inside the wall.
Wait, was this your monster?
That's it. Those were the red eyes I saw.
Can we keep the little monster? As long as our monster stays outside the wall from now on.